I'm going to introduce you to our new Rovo agent for custom charts. As you might or might not know by now, custom charts is a fantastic, super customizable tool aimed at helping people easily visualize their work. That said, getting to that very first chart does require a few clicks and configurations along the way, which can be daunting both to the new user as well as the person who maybe just doesn't have as much time on their hands. Also, you have to go to a dashboard in order to do it, which can sometimes take you out of the work. We wanted to streamline that process to address both of those pain points, especially for those simple common requests that come up so frequently. That is where our Rovo agent comes in. So here is the Rovo agent itself. You can see that we very helpfully named it the Custom Charts Assistant. The Custom Charts Assistant is built to understand natural language and help translate your request into a basic chart configuration. Let's try it out with a really simple example. So you can see that I'm in the website project right now, and I can see that I'm the assignee for this ticket. Maybe I want to see what all of the other assignees in the project are. So the first thing I'm going to ask it is, make a chart for assignees. You can see that it starts analyzing my request and it's making sure it has the information needed to make a chart. But it doesn't have enough information. In order to make a chart, it needs to know not only what the data type it should chart by is, but also where the data is coming from, as well as what kind of chart it should create. So it helps walk you through the missing pieces to make sure it gets everything that it needs along the way. So I'm going to tell it, make it a pie chart. And that's still not going to be enough information, as you'll see. And now I want to say, use project and then web. I could have handled that all in the first request as well, but sometimes users aren't going to know that from the beginning. So this is a good way to show how that natural process works. So you can see it starts going through and making sure it has everything needed to create the parameters and get the dashboard itself. And once it has the parameters generated, it's going to look for all of the dashboards that you have edit access to. So I want to add it to dashboard 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and say that in here. And again, it starts processing, making sure that it understands what I'm asking of it. And then you can watch it as it goes along the steps, creating the gadget, updating it as needed. And done. It tells me that it has now successfully created the pie chart for assignees for web. And I can go here to take a look at it. So I come to the dashboard and I have a pie chart. It's as simple as that.